Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the emoji keyboard if it's not active. Go to Settings, add the emoji keyboard, then return to your app. Once done, open any text field and tap the globe or smile icon to switch immediately. You can long press certain keys to reveal accent marks or related symbols, which speeds selection. Make sure to practice switching once so it becomes reflexive. This first step gets you into emoji mode without delay and prepares you for precise insertion. Now that the keyboard is active, learn to find emojis quickly. Swipe through categories or type a keyword into the search bar to narrow options. Once you spot an emoji, tap to insert or tap and hold to select skin tone and gender variants. This ensures correct expression. You can combine multiple emoji in sequence to create nuanced messages and use predictive suggestions to speed up selection. Keep practicing transitions between text and emoji so your messages remain clear. Finish by optimizing workflow. Set up text shortcuts for frequently used emoji pairs or sequences in keyboard settings so a short phrase expands into emojis. Consider third-party keyboards for additional stickers and GIF. They often include richer search and organization. If emojis don't render or appear as boxes, update your operating system and app or enable Unicode support where possible. If problems persist, restart the device and check keyboard permissions. That final troubleshooting step resolves most display or input issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.